Then again, if you want to install Orchestrator, click on Orchestrator and it will download the installer file. That is the MSI file. I'm not going to do it and I'm not going to show it now. Again, if you want to install only robot, in organizations which are using unattended runtimes, they will not install complete studio. They will install only the robot. So you can install only the robot or studio. If you want only the robot or studio, you can download and you can take it from here. You can also install Mac, the robot on Mac. Again, that's a different service. Let's not discuss on that. But yeah, if you are creating some cross-platform automations, then yes, you can use Mac to run your robots. And yeah, task mining, desktop recorder client, and all UiPath tools. There are different tools, platform conversion tool, automation cloud migration tool. All these details you have it from here. And UiPath Explorer also. Like again, you can have multiple versions from here. Now, a quick question. Everyone will ask which version of Orchestrator or which version of Studio are you using? Now, if you are using community version and if you are directly going into interview, the answer would be your latest version 2023.12. Is that correct that you will answer 2023.12?
Yes.
The
Yes.
moment you say 2023.12, they will reject you from the meeting. The reason is none of the enterprise organizations will use community version. And moreover, let's assume that I have the latest version of Studio as 2023.10.3. It means that it released in 10th month of 2023. Here, this is in the 4th month of 2023, 4th month of 2022, 10th month of 2022. Now, did you understand how many times do we have releases in UiPath per year?
Two releases.
Two releases and 6 months apart, April and October. Okay. Now let's say that you're going for an interview in the month of April, and if you say that I'm using 2023.4, then again they will reject you. Reason is since the version is just released now, and if you're saying that I'm using this for the past 1 year, then it's clearly states that you're not working on it, because every organization takes at least 6 months of time after there is a new release. Until they are not starting with a new environment or setup, they will always be 6 months late of the enterprise. The reason is most of the automations or most of the machines are already installed with the previous version, and to upgrade they might think like what will break and what will not break. So they will do a lot of testing before they migrate to the newer versions. So always tell the previous version of Studio or Orchestrator that you are currently working on.